Hi, from LUXX Kitchen and Bath in Boise, Idaho. We're continuing our showroom display sale. We always like to keep our showroom displays refreshed and updated. And so here's a beautiful little vanity from James Martin with a matching mirror. It comes with the top, the sink, mirror, and the vanity itself. This particular model does not have a backsplash. It's designed to be without a backsplash because it's a more modern design. This is a 30-inch Chicago vanity, single sink, and a 29-inch mirror to go with it. Let's look at some of the features and then let's talk about the price. Okay, this is a false front. Well, it's a tip out. Okay, so you've got a little place here to put your sponges or other small items. This is one way that James Martin makes the best use of the space that's available. You can see the sink is right behind the tip out there. And then down here we have two shelves. This shelf has a cutout for your plumbing pipes. And like all James Martin vanities, it is shipped with the back solid, and that way your plumber can decide exactly where to cut into the back or the bottom of the vanity to install the plumbing pipes. We have nice soft close doors as well. So the regular price, if you were to buy this off of our website, is $2,186. You can buy it if you come and pick it up yourself here in the Treasure Valley for $1,093. We can ship, well, we can have it delivered within the Treasure Valley for an additional fee. So again, regular price $2,186. Our special price for the showroom models is $1,093, and that's here at LUXX Kitchen and Bath in Boise, Idaho.